Hello everyone, I hope you're having a blessed day. I'm Leatherneck and welcome to my channel Leatherneck IT. Today we're going to do a test out video. We're building on a series of Hyper-V virtual machines, and in this video we're going to just create a couple of virtual switches. So very easy lab. This is lab 12.4.6, creating virtual switches. So let's read through. You've installed Hyper-V on the corp server because you want to create virtual machines. Prior to creating the virtual machines, you are experimenting with virtual switches. So this is at the very simple, basic phase of learning about virtual switches. There are a lot of things that you can do in the virtual switches, and there are a couple of different options: internal, external, private. Later on we'll talk about doing some isolation and how that works, but for now, very simple virtual switch. So let's open up our Hyper-V manager. We're going to right click on the corp server and we're going to go to our virtual switch manager. It looks like the first switch we're going to create is a private switch named switched 1. Click private, create, and we'll just copy and paste that name in here, apply, and OK. There you have it. Virtual switch has been created. Now we're going to create the second one. So we're going to right click, go back into our virtual switch manager, and you can see there's the switch number 1 private virtual. But for this next one, we're doing an internal. Now, the difference here is later on when we start talking about VLANs and isolation, a private virtual switch, the virtual machines can talk with one another, and that's pretty much it. The internal, when you go into the PowerShell or the command prompt, you can ping each one of those because you have assigned it a VLAN, and we'll go over that in our next video, but that's kind of the differences there. I mean, both of them are isolated, one a little bit more than the other, I guess. But anyway, create this virtual switch, and let's drop, oh, we don't want the period in there, we will not get that correct. Paste that in there, apply, OK. We have met the requirements for both tasks. We should be batting 1,000 on this lab. Let's check our answers. And there you have it, another simple test out lab covering virtual machines, virtual switches. If this helped you with this lab, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Help me out. You all have a great day.